All right, what up, traders? What up? Happy weekend to you all, and I hope you all are enjoying your weekend. I know that we didn't make much profit this week, and but I promise you guys, this new week is gonna be it's gonna be a blessed week. Okay, so now let's go. So on today's course, on today's lesson, I want to talk to you guys about how to be a successful trader. There's a lot that comes with being a successful trader. It's not just saying that I want to be a successful trader. Oh, I am a successful trader. No, there are more to it. There are more that means to the eye. You understand? So let me just jump over right in. So if you want to become a successful trader, you need to be willing. This case is not about someone actually pushing you. Is you willing to put in the work? Is you having that motivation to put in the work? Is you having that drive? Okay, this is the main reason why I'm trading Forex. I want to be financially free. I want to be financially stable. I don't want to work for no one. I don't want to be a salary earner. You understand? So this is you willing. Say, okay, comes rain, comes sun, I will actually go with Forex, both dark and thin. You understand? So this is when you're willing to put in the work, and you're gonna make mistakes. Yes, you're gonna make mistake even when you are a pro trader. Let me show you this trade you actually take with you guys, which was the first trade you take with me, was on GBP USD last 2 weeks Wednesday, last 2 weeks Wednesday. Yes, we take, and you see we hit stop loss. That is the mistake we're talking about here. For when you hit stop loss, there is a mistake. So when you become a professional trader, when you hit stop loss, it's no longer a mistake. It's just that the market is not just ready to go your way. You understand? So that is it. That is how simple. That is how simple forex trading could be. You understand? But mistakes is inevitable. Losses are inevitable. You understand? So now let's go back to the course now. So you're gonna make mistake. Now while you're making this mistake, you learn from them. You learn from your mistake. That's what gives you the edge, so that you don't repeat those mistakes next time. And one thing you should never do while you're trading forex is to never ever think about quitting, and you should never ever think about giving up. Because when you give up, I'm gonna tell you, there's no reward for giving up, but there's always reward for keep moving, for keep staying consistently. There's always a reward at the end. You understand? So but when you give up, there's never a reward later on in the future. But when you don't give up, there's a reward later on in the future. But I mean, I'm not ready to give up and then expect nothing in the future, man. I have been putting the work. I have been staying on this grind for a very long time now. I know 2 years is not a long time, but I will tell you, man, that 2 years looks like 4 years, man. Going through what I've gone through, seeing what I've seen when it comes to the forex market. You understand? So I don't want to talk too much. So now let's move in. Here are additional tips I actually put on together for you guys that will help you to become a successful trader. Number one, you start small. Yes, it's very, very important to start small. Like, I won't lie to you, it's very, very important, because I don't expect you. Now let's say you are a newbie trader, you start up at this level here, and you want to get to this high here. You want to get up to this high over here. So let's say this high now is you having, okay, close to like now this, let's assume this high is you worthing $5 million, or let's just say $1 million. Let's say you worth $1 million now. Let's go $1 million. $1 million now. Let's say you worth $1 million now, but this is where you're starting. Your starting point here is what? Is zero. Now your starting point here is zero. As you can see, you're starting off with $0. Now you don't expect to just from $0 move all the way to $1 million in the forex market. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen, never. Now this is how you're gonna go. Let me just give you an example. You go like this: 4, bridge, come back, go again, go, come back, 4 again, empty account, blown account, you fund account again, you are back up again, you take trade, you lost, you in drawdown, you push up. Now you're trying to learn your strategy. Now you testing your strategy, it's not working. Little by little is going, and then this is it. Now you're beginning to now you begin at this point now at this point now you've spent like almost like 2 to 3 years in the forex market. Within all this join I did. So within this join, you spent 1 to 2 years in the market learning back testing. You're gonna learn about back testing. You back test. You come up with your own strategy that you want to be trading. What kind of strategy you want to trade? Do you want to become a break and retest trader? Do you want to be an order block trader? Do you want to be a fair value gap trader? Do you want to be a liquidity trader? So there are many things. So at this point here, within this point here, this will take you about 1 year and 2 years to come up with all this. Meanwhile, you've been funding, losing. You fund, you lose, you fund, you lose again, you fund. Now you didn't lose, but you in drawdown. Now you've come up again. You understand? So at this point now, you've actually gotten to like 2 years. Now you're beginning to understand the forex market much more better. So now getting to this your first million is the most hardest thing. So this is when you start. Now let's say you now have a strategy. You go up, you come down, you go up, you come down, you go up, you come down, you go up, you come down. Now why is it that you ranging? Now you are not losing like before, and you are not making much profit, because now you've understand the system. Now this is it. You go up little by little, you start going up, you start going up, you start going up. And this will take consistency, hard work, patience, and what? Proper risk management. And now you are up to your $1 million in capital, not in profit, in capital. You understand? So sometimes along the way like this, you might need a pro firm. We call it pro firm, which is a funded company that actually give you funds to actually trade the financial markets. You understand? Just trying to make this thing so simple for everyone to understand. Okay, so this is it. So it's gonna take you, look at how long it will take you to get to your goal. Now this, when you get to this goal, now this is when already now it's not necessary you own $1 million in cash. Your net worth might be $1 million by then. Maybe you bought your Lambo, you bought your car, maybe you bought a Rolls Royce, you bought a Ferrari, a Porsche car. So maybe you bought some houses. So so you combine all those assets and all those properties you buy the now with your capital you have in your trading account and in your bank account. So everything now comes together and make that $1 million in profit. That is when you say, okay, now I'm a profitable trader and a successful trader. You understand? But you gotta start from where? You gotta start from $0. You're gonna put in more money, you're gonna lose it. Put in money, you're gonna lose it. Put in money. No, this one is supposed to even be here. Yes, you're gonna put in money again. You're up now. You're gonna lose it. You put another more money again. Still gonna lose it. Yes, that is how forex market works. You make small profit, you lose. You make small profit, you lose. So that is it. Always start small. I always say this to everyone. Start small and it will be the best, because when you start small, you learn. Yes. So now let's go back to number 2. Now starting small will help you minimize your losses. If you make mistakes, normally you're going to make mistakes, but it will help you minimize it, so that it's different when you're losing $2, $5, $10 than when you're losing 50. Sorry, than when you're losing $10, $10,000, $5,000. Let's say you actually took a loan from a bank or a loaning company that you want to trade forex, that you think you can flip the money, then you pay them back, and then you make your own profit, and then you lose that money. You see, that is where mentality, psychologically, comes in. You understand? Psychology of trading comes in. So now use demo. Number two, let's go to number two now. Use a demo account before you start trading real account. That is the same thing I said to you, or when your first week I told you sign up, use a demo account. Why will you use a demo account? That will help you to understand the platform, knowing how to place your trade in the market, knowing how to exit trade, knowing how to close trade manually, and knowing how to break even. All these things are things you need to know before going into the live market, so that knowing how to use signals, if you're trading with signal provider, knowing how to use signal, these are things. This is why you need demo to practice all these things. This will give you a chance to practice your trading skills without risking any money. That's why we say you should use demo that's why we say we should use demo account. So normally I give 1 week and two for a demo account. Then after that 1 week, at least you should be good. So you trade the live market with me, since I'm the one giving you signal. You're not trading on your own, so you understand. So now let's go on to number three. Don't trade with emotion. Why? Make your trading decision based on logic and reason, not on your gut feeling. Like, okay, let's come back to this point here. Let me go back to the trade we took that actually hit stop loss. No, let's go to the one that actually hit take profit. Yes, let's go. Now let's go on to my list. I always have this list on any trade I would love to take. So now, trade what you see and not what you feel. Yes, don't trade by emotion. Just okay, this is what I see that made me took this trade. No, now this is it. When let's say you've already know how to analyze the market, know how to read the chart, know what to do when you come into the chart, when you come into the market. Now look at this. Now when you pull in into your chart and you saw something like this, you feel like, okay, well, it looks like this market is bearish. It looks like this market is going to go down. You understand? That is you. That is you trading what you feel and not what you see. Meanwhile, me, a professional trader, will come up to this chart and I will do my analysis. I will say, what I'm seeing here is a bullish market and not a bearish market. You understand? This is a bullish market and not a bearish market. So instead of me, I'll be buying while you'll be selling, because you feel like the market is going down. Because why? Because you see that because the market pulled all the way down like this. You think that, okay, this is a downtrend market. Meanwhile, me, I'm seeing a bullish I'm seeing a bullish what? I'm seeing a buy opportunity on this trade. You understand? So that is a simple explanation for trading. Watch you see and not what you feel. You understand? Make decision based on what you see in the market, what price are saying. That is what you should trade, and not what you feel like. Okay, I feel this market is gonna go up. Oh, I feel this market is gonna go down. Oh, I feel this is gonna be a buy setup. I feel this is gonna be a sell. No, what I'm seeing is what I'm trading. That is it. And if I'm not seeing what I need to see before I get into the market, I'm not getting into the market. That is how disciplined I am. You understand? So let's go on to the number four. I don't want to make this video too long. Number four, you have to be patient. Like, I can't emphasize this enough. You have to be patient. Don't expect to become a successful trader overnight. Just exactly what I just explained over here on the GBP, on that GBP USD chart. When I said you are here, oh sorry. So when I said you are here, and then you want to get here. So now here $0, and then here is your what is the dream life you always expecting to meet up from trading. Is your end goal. This top here is your end goal, which is meeting that $1 million mark. Everybody want to make his first million, whether in dollar or in naira. But me, I always want to put it in dollar, because making money in naira right now, making millions in naira, doesn't make you a millionaire. I'm so sorry for using that word. So Now, around this point now, you want to make a million dollars, and now you starting up with $0. You have to be patient, and you have to know that you can't get you can't just come into the market today. I don't think in the next 6 months you're gonna fly your way up to this point. Never gonna happen. It doesn't happen. Like, it's not a rocket science. I'm gonna tell you that. And there's no cut in corner. You have to pay the price. There's always price to be paid. So you have to pay the price, and you pay the price in full. So that is just it. The price comes with discipline, comes with a lot of emotional stress, comes with a lot of psychology, like a lot of brain damage. Like, Forex is a very fucking thing. Like, it will actually deal with your emotion, like, so much. It will deal with your emotion. It will humble you to the core. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. But above all, if you don't give up, you know what you want. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you the real fucking truth right here. You definitely gonna hit this $1 million end goal that you wanna achieve. You understand? So the patience you need to have is, you're gonna have patience starting up from $0. When you put in money, you fail, you still put in money again, you fail. And when you're patient, you stay consistent also. You put in money, you fail. And that consistency mean you showing up on your chart every day. Have a set time you show up to this chart every day. Have a set goal, have your rule, have your trading plan. Trading plan is what you see before you take any trade. Like me, I have my trading plan. I make sure I go through them every morning before I set any trade. And I have set time which I come to my decks every day. That is discipline. That is patience, and that is consistency. If I'm not trading on, let's say, okay, sometimes I don't mostly trade on Thursdays. So if I'm not trading on Thursday, I know that, okay, Thursdays I'm not trading. I won't be coming to my decks. I won't be showing up at my office on Wednesday, on Thursdays, because why? I'm not trading. I don't mix work with pleasure. I don't mix work with other things. If I'm trading, I'm in on trading. Like, if I'm trading, I'll be on my decks. I don't move around. I don't go nowhere. I'm always at my chart. Unless if I didn't get what I'm looking for to go in on the trade, I might just close my chart. And before I close my chart, I always look at the chart from the time I actually resume office. I call it resume office because it's where I make my daily bread. So from the time I resume office, I mostly stay on the chart, watch the chart till 2 p.m. So by 2 p.m., I didn't see what I'm looking for to actually get into the trade. What? I'm going out. Of course, I'm going out because there's nothing else for me to do again. So I'll go and I'll come back the next day. That's being patient. Consistency is what will actually make me come back the next day, even though I know that the previous day I couldn't make anything from the previous day. You understand? So Forex is has to do with a lot and a lot of patience. You have to have patience. Don't don't expect to become profitable overnight, not even in 6 months in the Forex market, not even in 1 year. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm telling you the fucking truth. I've been on this shit now for 2 years plus, and I'm still working hard. I'm still trying to meet up with a lot of things. So you see, for the past 2 years, doing something over and over again. You know what? I would love you all to actually take Forex trading like you going to school, because why? Most people spend 5 years, 4 years in the university. Meanwhile, when you graduate from the university, a job is not guaranteed. A job is never guaranteed. You understand? But why? We still pay money, we spend money to trade them, to go to school, and you know that it's not that a job is promised when you graduate from school, but you still pay that money. You still have that patience to study, to make sure you meet up with all your mark in school, in the university. But why is it that most people don't want to put this same energy, this same mentality when it comes to trading? Take trading as a school. Your first 1 year, 2 years, you're learning. Your first 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you're learning. But I'm promising you that before that 2 years, with the right mentor, with the right tools and the right knowledge, you will become profitable. You will make money from it. So that is it. So it takes time and effort to learn how to trade efficiently. It takes time. And this time it takes is not okay, you show up today and then you show up after 1 month again and you think that is the time it takes. No, showing up every day, watching the market going up and down, seeing things that the market have been doing, taking trade and losing. I know that okay, this is the trade, this is how I take trade the last time and I hit stop loss. Okay, I shouldn't do this when next time. Yes, showing up every day on the chart. That is it. That is the time it takes. That is the effort it takes, is the time you sacrificing in the market, is the time you placing trade, and then at the end you still taking losses. If you follow these tips, be you will be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. Just remember, there is no easy way to success. You need to be what? You need to be willing to put in the work. I repeat this again. There is always a reason why I had to repeat this again. Yes, you have to be willing to put in the work. I was willing to put in the work. That's why you all have to know me that okay, this guy is a trader. If I didn't put in the work, I'm just off my own guy. How would you know that I trade forex? You understand? So that is how it is. Be willing to put in the work, and guess what? You're gonna succeed. I'll see you guys at the top. Get back to work. Peace out. And I love you. I just wanna see you all succeed. Okay.